Animals and plants have made our planet home for millions of years and make it unique. However, species and habitats are now disappearing at an unprecedented rate. We at the Research Museum of the Leibniz Association use our knowledge to protect nature. We research the diversity of species worldwide, their genes and ecosystems, developing solutions for a future worth living. Our target is preserving nature for future generations. With top research in the Museum Koenig Bonn and the Museum of Nature Hamburg. With inspiring exhibitions and valuable encounters. With excellent scientific work in our natural science collections. They are the memory of our planet and the heart of our museums. Our archive holds more than 16 million objects from around the world. Our collections enable us to look into the past and future at the same time. They help us track the appearance and spread of species. They mirror how nature is changing and what the role of humankind is in this context. We are taking drastic measures to save the diversity of species and ecosystems for the good of humankind. Digitalization, documentation, and analysis. Cutting-edge technology enables us to read nature as if through a magnifying glass. "3D images show fine nuances in the difference between species. They supply us with important indications for the preservation of biological and genetic diversity. We examine the effects of the change in biodiversity on DNA and decrypt potential pathogens. Our genome research forms the basis for applied protection of nature and against pandemics. Our research happens in fields and meadows. We cooperate with our partners and politicians to develop solutions for sustainable agriculture. Our exhibitions create a unique space to make people enthusiastic about the diversity of species and habitats. We explain the wonders of nature and learn from each other. We teach how science takes effect. We invite visitors on an exciting journey of discoveries. We inspire them to work towards preserving nature, to come and do their own research here, and to join us. This fascination with biodiversity is our driving force. We actively design the future of nature and our society with every single discovery, every project, and every dialogue. Interested? Start networking now. Share your thoughts, research, and let's cooperate.